Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to put the fuel tank on and work on the wiring on this thing. There's two different brackets that support the fuel tank. One of them goes clear back here. The other one will go up front. Get this back in first. That'll do it for that one. Now I can put the front one on. The other bracket will bolt across the frame just like that. Okay, now that these two brackets are on, the fuel tank can sit in place. It will just rest in those brackets. That's it for the fuel tank. Next thing we're going to do is run the fuel line and fuel filter. Fuel lines just snake right underneath here. It'll go on this shut-off valve in front of the tank. Gotta grab a clamp for that. And I can cut just a little short piece to go from the fuel pump, which is up here, down to the fuel filter. And now that the fuel filter is in place, just trim the rest of this hose off. Hook to the bottom side of the fuel filter. That would be it for the fuel system. Okay, that will do it for the fuel system. I'm going to go ahead and install the throttle cable. That will mount to the dash up here. The cable will sneak down through this hole, attached to the governor on the motor. Okay, it opens fully to the choke position like it's supposed to and goes all the way back to idle. So we're good on the throttle. Now I can go around the other side and start working on the wiring harness. I'm going to go ahead and put the dash on next. The key switch and lights and everything can go in there. There's two brackets come up on the bottom for support. Put the battery tray in next. It's just got 4 tabs that go down through 4 holes in the bracket. And of course when the battery's in there'll be clamps on there holding it all down. Now the wiring harness can go in. I took it apart, I left pretty much everything hooked to the engine. Start by putting the ignition switch back in. There's 3 indicator lights. There's 3 indicator lights on the dash. One's for the low fuel light. There's not an actual fuel gauge, but there's a light for when it's low on fuel. And there's one for the battery, tells you if it's charging or not, and one for oil pressure. And the voltage regulator has to get mounted up here. And the headlight switch be plugged into. Main battery cable's up here. This is the harness that goes up to the headlights. Here it snaps into that cover. Now when the hood's on, the headlights can be plugged in there. This harness goes back. This plug will be for the low fuel sending light. And this will be for the safety switch for the seat. This other plug comes over. That's for the other safety switch, so it won't start unless you have the clutch pedal pushed all the way down. Now the only thing left to mount up here will be the voltage regulator. key in, we put the handle back on the throttle lever. We'll go ahead and put the steering wheel on. Once again, thanks for watching these videos. If you like them, don't forget to hit that like button down below, leave the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Next episode, be ready for paint. I got the hood sanded already. I got some sandable primer to go on it. Probably sand it down one more time with like 320. And it'll be ready for green. Almost there. See you next time. Bye.